Because you are looked at is a generic feeling that you share with everyone on the planet. Yeah? So standing here, being looked at, keeping your story for that audience, it's awkward and strange, and it's something that you need to get used to for almost everybody. Yeah? And there's only one way to deal with it, and that's to expose yourself to it. So to look it up in a way and get used to this feeling of being looked at. The moment that you embrace that feeling and you treat it as a conversation, as I now do, I demonstrate this to you. I look you in the eye, I interact with you. It doesn't feel like a presentation anymore, at all, actually. It feels like a conversation. Well, that's exactly the purpose. That's exactly what needs to be done. If you really interact with people in your audience, then things happen. Then they stick to your story. They understand, they listen to what you're saying. So treat it like a conversation. So you have to expose yourself to this. Even if you feel very bad doing it, just do it. You know?